how to choose the right type of chart. I think it's important to know when you're building tables and then trying to graphically represent that data in a chart. It's really important to know, well, what do the different types of chart do for me? What do they display? And I think this is the point where most people fall down. So what I'd like to do in this session is go through the different types of chart and just give you a quick brief introduction to each of the different types of chart. So choosing the right type of chart and the format will obviously help display your data more visually and in a more meaningful way. The different types of charts that we have in Excel are column, line, pie, bar, area and scatter. So I'd like to go through a couple of these and just give you a quick rundown as to what type of data best suits that type of chart. So let's start by talking about the column chart. So column charts help the user emphasize variations over a time period. So you can see I've got my vertical and both horizontal axes with my legend deciding where I want that, either at the top or the bottom. I've got the line chart, which helps the user emphasize trends rather than the amount of change. Again, line chart's not great for multiple sets of data. The pie chart contains just one data series and it shows the whole divided into portions, as they call it, the slices of the pie. The bar chart then helps the user emphasize the comparison between items at a fixed period of time, often confused with the column chart, one working vertically, one working horizontally. And then you have the area chart, which shows the relative importance of values over time. And last of these then is our scatter chart, obviously useful for showing a correlation among the data points that may not be easy to see from data alone, using numeric values along both axes instead of values along the vertical axis and categories along the horizontal axis. So I hope this kind of gives you a better insight as to the different types of charts and what types of chart best represents your data.